Turn Signal with Nima Reza.
Father's Day is coming up this Sunday, and with the growing trend of fatherless kids in our culture, the day could end up being difficult for some. Jim Daly, president and CEO of Focus on the Family, can relate. He was orphaned as a child after his mother passed away, and his father, who struggled with alcoholism, left Jim and his siblings to fend for themselves.
We rarely recognized Father's Day because my dad just wasn't around. Holidays, except for Christmas, where we got lots of presents. I mean, that was it. I don't think we paid attention to other holidays.
Daly, who's married with 2 sons, says God can redeem the day for fatherless kids.
I love a story that someone shared with me there at the Sea of Galilee just a couple of years ago. And of course, for us as Christians, we read the scripture that talks about calling God Abba, Father, which is Hebrew for Daddy. And he saw a little 5-year-old boy running down the seashore with a seashell in his hand. And he was yelling to his dad, Abba, 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 just with that enthusiasm and excitement. I think for me, the change was I felt that relationship with the Lord, like He is my Father. And He wants to be everybody's father in that way, a spiritual dad.
And what does Daly want this Father's Day?
I actually am going to tell Jean not to do any gifts. What I told her just yesterday was something handmade by the boys. It can be just a card, but something that they create. That would make my day.
Daly has written a book about growing up as an orphan. Finding Home is available at FocusOnTheFamily.com.